My name is Sofia Björk and I'm working with sales on Axelent. With this X-Rail system, we can be a complete supplier for the customer, and it harmonizes with the X-Guard, so the customer easily can see that it's a high-quality product from Axelent. We did this X-Rail system because of customers have asking for this kind of products. So this X-Rail system is developed to customers' demand. You can have it in two different heights, in 2300 millimeters or in 1400 millimeters. And you can have it with just the rails, with the handrail and knee rail, together with the kick plates in the bottom. Or if you want to have it with the panels in mesh or sheets or plastic. And also the keyholes, they are on the four sides on the post. So it's very good, you can have it in many different directions. This X-Rail system is for mezzanine suppliers, building companies and end users. Every company needs something to prevent fall accidents. With the use of X-Rail together with the solid panels, it can prevent small objects of falling down to a lower level, which can cause damage to machinery or people. The X-Rail system is tested against European, American, British and Australian standards. That makes that the customer know that it's full tested against the requirements of fall protection.